Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to change your Cashtag name on Cash App. So this is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say while you were setting up your Cash App account, you gave your Cashtag a name in which it doesn't really relate to your current name, and so it gets confusing. This was the case for me, but be sure to stick around just because you are going to learn this. This video is going to be short, sweet, and simple. But before we begin, do make sure that your Cash App application is up to date. So do go into the App Store or Google Play Store and then update to the latest version so that you could follow along with me. Now let's go ahead and enter our Cash App account. Now on this page here, what you're going to do is that on the upper right hand side, you want to click on your profile image. Next, what you want to do from here is you want to click on Edit Profile. Now in this prompt here at the bottom, you're going to see the spot that says Cashtag. So go ahead and click on that. And so from here, this is where you could actually go ahead and change your Cashtag. So choose a unique name for getting paid by anyone on Cash App. Now, this is the best and easiest way that I found to actually go ahead and change your Cashtag. Do make sure that's something that you also know as well. Normally, I would recommend that your Cashtag relates to your name just because sometimes when I give my Cashtag to individuals, there's some discrepancies and they always have to ask like, are you sure this is your Cashtag? When your Cashtag technically has nothing to do with your name. So again, the way to do this is that you simply just click on Cashtag and then edit your Cashtag name here. So this is the best and easiest way that I found to actually do this. Let me know if you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this though in the comments down below. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.